Vincent Darré. That's my name.
Mr. Darré.
Vincent Darré.
Vincent Darré.
Vincent Darré.
Vincent Darré.
Darré. Vincent.
Mr. Darré.
Vincent Darré. Vincent Darré.
I'm very proud to be in Baton Rouge in this huge university.
Vincent Darré. That's my name.
Mr. Darré.
Vincent
Darré.
Vincent Darré.
Vincent Darré. Vincent
Vincent Darré.
Darré.
Vincent.
Mr. Darré.
Vincent Darré. Vincent Darré. Vincent Darré. You know what this guy did? He made like a movie. And Catherine, she entered like this. And sit down.
Yeah, there we go.
One, two, three, go. A clap, no?
I wanted to say a few things how this event came to pass. Sometimes, people say LSU is a party school, right? And so I thought we would invite the man who turned partying into an art form, which is Vincent Darré.
Why did you choose to come to LSU?
Oh, I don't know. I'm so curious, in my life. And this is an opportunity when Darius met me and proposed to me to come in Louisiana, Baton Rouge. And for me, the New Orleans and all the Louisiana, it's a big and huge curiosity of architecture and story when I never been.
So, do you have any impressions on, the story and architecture of LSU?
It was so incredible, and you know what I like here? It's like time don't change,
Right.
and you have so many memory of different architecture, and the house and thing. It's not. It's strange because campus or university, I think it was more American or in England story, and here I feeling the different mentality, and it's like a little house, and I think wow, the students are very lucky to have this chance to living in this place.
How would it compare to, a French university? I mean, I'd imagine you're quite well acquainted with that.
It's totally different. I say today, and my friend Catherine Baba, I think here it's more cool. French university, I see today is Sunday and don't see nobody walk, but I think normally it's so many, and I love because it's like a movie for me. I see America I don't see because I go to Los Angeles, Miami or New York, and I never been in an American university. For me, it's the first time, and I'm very surprised.
What would you say to students who are, studying and maybe someone looks up to you directly? What would you say to them?
Sometimes students coming to me to have some consulting, and I try to listen and after to think what is the best for him. It's difficult to say, wow, this is good, this is not good. I think it's your properly sensibility, and it's important you have confidence in you, and you don't listen nobody. And more is unusual, more is strange, better is it for me. And when I start to be a decoration and design, my furniture don't have it's like this chair, it's very strange for people. And my furniture, it was for all the decorator, it was so strange. And maybe this the concept, to be something different and not to go in the same street where the other go. I don't want to be similar, and I love to be different. Maybe in the clothes, in my head too. I love to be maybe old-fashioned.
Vincent Darré. That's my name.
Mr. Darré.
Vincent
Darré.
Vincent Darré.
Vincent Darré. Vincent
Vincent Darré.
Darré.
Vincent.
Mr. Darré.
Vincent Darré. Vincent Darré. Vincent Darré. That's my name.
Mr. Darré.
Vincent
Darré.
Vincent Darré.
Vincent Darré. Vincent
Vincent Darré.
Darré.
Vincent.
Mr. Darré.
Vincent Darré.